back at this familiar hotel room layout. We're at GEO Hotel, Genting. The familiar washroom layout with the shower bench, the toilet. Are you eating there? Yeah. Oh. You want to share?
We wanted to go Hard Rock Cafe, is on the 50th floor. But the lift...
Ooh, the lift.
There's 8 lifts on it, but only 1 is operating.
Yeah, we heard someone saying that they waited for the lift for like 1 hour plus.
Yeah.
Ooh, we
So
don't
bad,
want to take this.
bad vibes, we don't go.
So now we are going to Genting.
Yep. Next time, we'll come next time.
We'll come next time.
Thank you.
잘 먹겠습니다. Okay. Tim is actually very smart. So I opened the fridge and I didn't see any cake. I assume like he didn't get any. Then he got one. And he got flowers too. Wow. Some dry ice to set the mood.
My dear wife, happy birthday to you.
就够容了。OK OK OK。Oops. This is the birthday gift that Tim got me, and we're gonna unbox this. Tim!
Yeah. And it's pink.
Is that why you built phone battery?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh.
Cute mole.
My goodness.
Okay, happy birthday!